I'm going to reveal to you the new Instagram feature. It's an Instagram story sticker called Reveal. Have you seen the new Reveal sticker yet? Well, this sticker is a great way to boost engagement and build connection with your followers. So I'm going to tell you what it is and I'm going to show you how to use it. But don't miss out on the final part where I give you some practical ways to use it so that you get the most engagement as a creator and for your business. I have to admit, I really do like the thought behind this Instagram sticker. The content you post for your story will be all blurry. It won't be able to be seen. It will be unclear to your audience. Only when your audience message you and interact with that story will the post then become clear. The content will then be revealed to them. Let me show you how it works. To start creating a story, tap your profile image with the plus or the plus button at the bottom. Record or add your image or video. Tap the sticker icon at the top and select the reveal sticker. As you can see from this demonstration, when you select the sticker, your background goes blurry and it gives you a message box for you to write a caption in. And then below that, it says message to reveal. Once you've written your caption, press done. Then in the bottom left of the screen, there'll be an eye icon and the word preview. Here, you can toggle this on and off to see what your story will look like once you hit post. Then, anyone who wants to see your story can only see the contents you posted by sending you a message. Once you're happy, you can then hit done. And now you know how to use the reveal sticker. And I think it's an exciting feature. And let me tell you a few reasons why, because I think it comes with some great benefits if you use it. Let me tell you a few. This feature is great for creators and businesses who are looking to get more of an audience reaction. This feature will build better interaction and connection with your community via DMs. And as we know, DMs are a real focus for Instagram right now, clearly. And this feature is focused around it being transactional, which means everybody wins. We both get something from it. You get the responses, and they, your audience, get the content. As well as those benefits, here's some practical ideas on ways in which you might want to use the Instagram reveal sticker. Quizzes and competitions. Spark engagement with a trivia question. And the answer is hidden behind the reveal sticker. And those of your audience that message you with the right answer get entered into some kind of raffle or competition. A fun way to reward your audience and boost interaction. Again, what's the word? Tease the viewer with some kind of hidden word or message behind the reveal sticker. The first member of your audience to message you with the correct answer can win a shout out or some kind of small prize. This one taps into curiosity and encourages participation. The classic behind the scenes, but this one with a reveal. Build anticipation of your up and coming projects and use reveal to tease out the sneak peeks as you work on that project. This one builds excitement and curiosity and gets your audience invested in your future projects. Community inspiration. Looking for a fresh new idea or a spark of inspiration? Well, you can use the reveal sticker as a collaborative tool. Use the reveal sticker to post a prompt, a theme, a word, a sentence, and then your audience can then offer up suggestions and ideas. And then for future posts, you can reveal the best and showcase the ones that helped you take your ideas to the next level. This one inspires everyone and fosters community spirit. I'm looking forward to using this reveal feature myself. I hope this video has helped you learn a little more to help you with your content. And don't forget to get a little creative with it. I'm Ray. This is Simply Create. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, peace.